Oi! What the hell? Where's my chicken nugget? Oh, there it is. That's a good chicken nugget. What the hell? I'm stuck! Linda! Linda!
What happened, stepbro?
Help me, stepsister! I'm stuck under the TV!
Are you stuck?
I can't get out! No! It's happening again! Hey, so before the video starts, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, which is Skinport. Now, if you don't know what Skinport is, they're a CSGO marketplace, meaning that you can buy and sell your skins safely for real money. They've got over 680,000 skins listed, and if you're buying a skin, for example, buying a tiger tooth on Steam, you'd be paying 530 euro. Meanwhile, on Skinport, one's listed right now for only 407, and it's a good flow. And if you're selling skins and your skin happens to be over $1,000, then the selling fee will only be 6%, which is very nice. Skinport is also the best rated CSGO marketplace on Trustpilot with a ranking of 4.9. And they've got many nice reviews like perfect in every way, was scared at first but no need to worry, recognize Kosovo, fast trades, and great for beginners. So if you want to buy or sell CSGO skins safely, then please try Skinport using the link in the description. And now let's get on with the case opening. Hello guys! So, I am here with my beautiful, luscious locks and my ugly sister. And today, we are going to be opening cases again. We have done this once before and it went pretty decently.
What did you aim for?
The towers. Sadly, we didn't get a knife, but at least we had a lot of misogyny. Today we have 250 dreams and nightmares cases. Today, hopefully, we're gonna get a knife. Also, Linda is so small that this is how I normally sit. But look at her, she's so small, I have to sit like Gollum to make sure that she also fits in the video. Wow, posture. From this one, obviously, you can get butterfly gamma doppler, which is what we're hoping for. Me and my sister, haha. Obviously, I inherited all the charm and the looks.
Wait, I'm supposed to open.
Shut up. You know how it is, Linda. For every 100 cases I open, you open 70 or something. You know, the woman wage gap? That's how it is. So I open 100, you open 70 or something, 60. Far too much in my opinion.
No, give me.
Linda is so fucking case opening addicted. We've recorded for 2.5 minutes and Linda's already fiending to open cases. You open now, Linda. Let's see. Which sibling is the case unboxer, huh? I've got like 50 knives under my belt. Me trying to pass through TSA.
I got a knife from one case once.
Excuse me, what do you say?
Ah!
Oi, oopsie, sorry. Mojo was right. It's kind of crazy. You know, you as a woman, you spend a lot of time, unironically, in the kitchen, preparing food and such. And I think many other women do as well, right? How come on, like, MasterChef and everything, it's only men who are the best chefs when you guys have, like, 10 times more practice? Also, guys, I am dressed like fucking Santa Claus today. Do you see me? Wow! Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Linda, you're only getting coal for Christmas, so you can fire up the wood stove. Sorry? A chicken rides a shark into battle.
Chicken?
Gentlemen, if you haven't seen in my background, look what I have here. I have a chicken. I got this one from the Blast event. CSGO chicken. Here, Linda. This is the only cock any man will ever want to give you.
At least we have one big cock in the house. Why is it so difficult to open a case? This is mine now.
Okay, of course Linda opens the most girly skin you've ever seen on the planet. Fucking My Little Pony, Fluttershy.
How do you know the name?
Fluttershy. You have Fluttershy and Applejack, and so far we've spent 750 euro on the cases. This one's 17, so we didn't make that much back. But we're gonna get the knife, 100%. Linda, you know, I'm just kidding with you. I don't want women to only stay in the kitchen, of course. How else is the rest of the house gonna get clean? You're
horrible.
Oh no. I've noticed, by the way, this and the last case opening video with you, it's like 20% case opening and 80% misogyny. I haven't opened a knife in so long, actually. Fuck. Bro, how many? What the hell? Woman luck. Woman moment. Oh. Oh. No. Ever since the 1920s, I've had bad luck. Come on! Dreams and nightmares? No! Why'd you press escape? Don't ADHD!
Sorry, we ran out of keys.
How about you, keys? Another 20 cases down the drain.
How much money?
750 in total, and everything for these poop-ass blues, and one red for 17 euro. That's great. Mag 7 Foresight. Mag 7 Foreskin. I've got a good feeling about this. Why does it say that on a shotgun? Kurt Cobain last quote. Wait. Beep, 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 beep. I'm waiting for Max Killer to pick up. Linda, open something good now. Don't turn me into Chris Brown. Surely we're gonna get something good now.
Like, it's so many cases.
Come on. Nope, nope. More fucking haha, lol, more Scar. Ah. Ooh, Star Trek Factory New. How much is it actually? It is 70 cents. Ah, if I sold this one, it would be like 1.1 euro. You see, that's a wage gap joke, guys. Leave a fucking like! Ooh, Space Cat Battle Scarred. Wow, no, field tested. Look at that. That's how I approach the kindergarten. So, it seems you guys watching this video, the last one, you guys enjoyed it a lot. And I thought I was gonna make only one video with Linda, but then a lot of you guys liked it. And also, the other day, I walked past a fish market and I was like, oh yeah, Linda, we should probably record something. Why is it called stand-up comedy when I'm just as funny sitting down? Ah! The AK.
That's cute.
Shut the fuck up.
Bunch of blobs.
Me looking at family photos. We need to give some support to Linda though. She's going through a hard time. Her Instagram got banned. She posted too many selfies and they insta-banned her for impersonating Shrek. Men vad fan?
It's my knife if we open one.
We can fight for it. Oi! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh no, it's rarer than a knife.
Which condition?
Autism. Red stat track 0.06%. A knife is just 0.25. We got something 4 times as rare as a knife. Oh! It's not gonna be worth anything. I guarantee you. It's gonna be like 37 euro. It's less! It's less than the minimal wear one. 10 times rarer, but it's less. You are bringing unluck to me, Linda. When I open alone, I get knife every time. Now with you, I'm very unlucky. 400 years ago, you would have been burned at the stake.
How about this? You leave, I open case.
No, because the video needs to be funny, Linda. What joke are you gonna say when you're alone here? Woman's rights, and then what? Hooker. Oh, battle scarred. That's cool. That's worth more.
The more you know.
Jokes on Linda. After this video is done, then I'll tell her that I used her credit card to buy all the cases. Come on, I would really like to get something. It would be very cool. It's soon Christmas. I'm dressed like fucking Santa and a fat Santa guy sitting here full red. Just give me something, please. And they increased the price of cases. This is— oh my god, yes! Actually, a dream set! Oh! Phase 2 Bowie Gamma. Yes, Linda, let's fucking go! Woo! I can't believe we did it. Oh my god, this is nowhere near 750. But I don't care, that's so fucking good! Yes! And it's funny because this looks like kitchen knife you chop fucking onion with. And it's phase 2, so it's worth way more. Okay, how much is it listed for? It's gonna be 273 euro. I was 10 euro off. How much for phase 2? Here, phase 2, 276. I was 3 euro off.
You know this too much.
Yeah, that's all I have in life. We did it. We opened a kitchen knife, Linda. I puked. We fucking did it. Okay, now we have a chance for back-to-back knives. That's never happened to me ever. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Woman moment. Let's see. The chance is extremely low. Unlucky. Even though we hit the extremely lucky, this is still 270 euro. We're still hella down. But we did what we came here to do, which is have fun, be misogynistic, get cancelled, and open a knife. That's my checklist for every video. Oi, melon drum. And it's the fucking... Why does it have to show me the red at the back? This is me looking into your window when you go to bed at night. Sweet dreams. And then I'm sat there licking my lips, looking at you. I'm so hyped now that we got knife, Linda.
Oh.
Okay. Rapid eye movement. Yeah, spooky. Look here, eye. Look at this one. It's Amogus. Do you see? It's... I'm so sweaty now. That's a whole workout getting a knife. Here, you can open some now. Mission is done. I am happy.
I also want to open a knife.
What?
I also want knife.
Why do you talk so fucking low volume?
You have the
Linda,
mic
it's
so
like
far
someone
away.
put a silencer on you in real life. Suppressor. You are USPS in real life. Why? Are you on a fucking pogo stick?
I had your energy drink. You forget how I get when I drink energy drink.
It's okay. It's okay. So guys, in the description as well, we've left Linda's Patreon. She's trying to collect money for a boob job. Who the fuck invited me? Wait, I'm gonna go on a crusade now. From Estonia. Hello? Hello? Estonia?
Hello.
I'm opening cases. What do you want?
Hello.
And on that note, I will be leaving the lobby. I guess most of the KKK resides in Estonia. Oh my god, the whole LGBTQ flag, did you see? Come on, we need luck chicken. Melon drama, let's go, it worked, just because I reached for chicken. Oh, look who sat here stroking his cock. No, get away. Oh, mouthful of cock. Winner, winner. Oh, chicken fucker. Ah!
The poor cock.
The poor cock.
Ah,
Oh.
it brought luck.
Oh, stat track! Holy shit, that's actually kind of cool. What the you're degenerate, Linda. Check how much it fucking costs. It is... Okay, €4. Fuck me. I need to put cook in the background somewhere. Don't fall, cook. Rare special item again? Huh? For me? I opened last knife. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Look here. 3 quick opens. One of them is a knife. One of them is a pink. Are you ready? Now I get how sugar daddies feel, because this is what I'm doing to Linda.
Thank you.
These are my cases, and Linda's just stealing them. Worst sister. Unless you open something good.
What happens if I don't open good?
Mojo was right. Look my posture. If I sit full straight, this is what I look like. Wow, I'm like fucking... Okay, another one. Abyssal apparition. Oh, factory new. Not good looking skin though, I'm not gonna lie. But it works. Come on. We don't have that many cases left, but we got a knife and a stat track red. That's basically all you can ever ask for in a case opening. And maybe opening it with good company you can also ask for.
Agree.
Wait, Linda, I'm gonna buy 20 more cases, but these we're gonna open specially because I know what we need to do to raise the luck to get the knife. Luna. Okay, you can look now. Welcome home, Linda! Finally, Linda's home. She's gonna be so happy. I can't believe it. Wow, look at this, Linda. It's even got a microwave. You feel just like home. Look, all these need to be cleaned, Linda. Why am I in the fucking frying pan? This map is ass. Let's keep going, Linda. Quick roll.
Butterfly?
No. Quick roll. No. Quick roll. Oh, melon drama. That is very battle scarred. That is good. That is good.
Creepy.
Yes, so are you, Linda. Guys, did you know Linda once worked summer job in a haunted house? She didn't even need makeup. She was the cashier and they were already scared.
These were my cases.
Huh? Oh, no. We got 20 cases left, so we've opened 230 cases already. Are we in profit? No, we are not. But that's fine, because we opened the knife, and that's really all we can ask for.
We had fun.
Did we? Did we? Knife. Okay. Siri open. Really? Let me see. Help. Call 911. Call 911. Siri, ring 112. Ring 112. Emergency. Emergency. Did it work? Yeah. Wait, can I see your phone?
Gör du! Lägg av! Ludvig! Lägg av! Lägg av! Är ju dum i huvudet!
Unlucky, Linda.
You called 911. I get to open.
Oj! Oi, smell it! Inhale it, Linda! That's my colon! A lot of you guys in the last video with Linda, by the way, they actually discovered why I wear the mask. Because they realized we're siblings and you look like you look, so they understood that I would wear a mask. Last case.
Last one. Are you ready?
Yes.
No touching.
What did you say?
No touching.
The strip club security guard angrily telling me at 3 AM. No touching! Thank you guys for watching. That was fun. We got a fucking knife, actually. I'm very happy for that, because if we would have gone yet again without getting a knife, that would have been very sad. Thank you for watching, guys. Now Linda's gonna go hopefully cook me dinner, and then I'm gonna say that it tastes like shit, and I'm gonna end up ordering McDonald's instead. If this video gets 10,000 likes, Linda will have surgery to remove those fucking horse Mickey Mouse goofy ass teeth. Linda going to the dentist, head ass. Yes, I'm here for my appointment. I fucking, what the fuck? Okay, stop.